Today I will discuss about the political theory, meaning, nature and characteristics. Here we will discuss about the meaning, nature and political theory and political thought, political theory and political philosophy, political theory and political science, and political theory, characteristics and significance. So what is the meaning of political theory? It is the branch of the political science under which scientific analysis made of political institution, political events and political fact. Here we are studying about the mostly three things, like a political event, what is going on, what is happening, and political fact, what are the different political fact and what are the different political institutions which have been established in that particular country. So we are discussing about the various things like this. It is not concerned with explanation of the fact only. It is discussing about the functionings also, purpose also. So this is discussing an analysis of the political events. So in introduction part we study the political theory is one of the core area of the political science from ancient Greece to the present time. So it is having very great importance from ancient time. So here perennial ideas of political science, political theory reflect upon political phenomenon and process and institutions and actual political behavior by the subjecting it philosophical or ethical standard. So political theory basically examining the questions of this kind and systematically think about the values that inform the political life. Values such as freedom, equality and justice. So this theory is basically study about the equality, what are the various principles of the equality, what is freedom, how much freedom should be given to the human beings, and how justice can be given to the human beings. So political theory is the categorization of the social thoughts by a group by the persuasion or belief of geopolitical masses. So the political theory can also be considered as the critical traditions of discourse that provide reflection on the collective life. So here we study since the ancient Greek period, political theory analyze and interpret the foundations of the political life. It evaluates its principles, concept and institutions. So it is discussing about political theory is discussing about various institutions, various principles and the political life of the human being. So in the modern dialect, political theory is a body of knowledge related to the phenomenon of the state. Various definitions which are given by the various political thinker, political scholars like David Held is discussing about the definition of political theory. It is a network of concept and generalization about the political life involving idea, assumptions, and statement about the nature, purpose, and key features of government, state, and society, and about the political capabilities of human beings. So it is discussing about this capabilities of human being and society, state. It is all about that things. According to the Francis W. Coker, about the definition, he is telling it is a branch of political science concerned preliminary with the deal of past and present political thinkers and the doctrine and proposal of political movement and group, discussion of the proper scope of the government and actions has usually been regarded as a proper part of the political theory. Another definition is about political theory is a tradition of thinking about the nature of the political power, the condition of just and unjust, the right of individual minorities. It is about the minority rights, individuals, and the majority, and the nature and bound of the political community. In brief, we can say the political theory is a political philosophy, a moral theory of politics, and hierarchical study of the political ideas. So it is about the political ideas, a scientific which is studying scientifically a linguistic analysis of political ideas, and the discovery and systematic development of globalization about the political behavior, generalization about the political behavior. On the basis of the above definition, it can be concluded that it is a study of phenomena of the state, both in philosophical as well as empirical terms. So it is a study, philosophical study and empirical study. So the political theory, here we see the nature of political theory. Political theory is a study of phenomena of the state both from philosophical as well as empirical point of view. This is the nature of political theory. So we study this political theory and the political thought. It is generally believed that political thought is the general thought comprising of theories and values of all those persons or sections of the community who think and write in day-to-day activities. So it is the time bound, since the policy and programs of the government change from time to time. Thus the Greek thought or Roman thoughts of ancient period or the political thought of the medieval age exist today. Here we cannot ignore the various thought, like Greek thought we cannot ignore, or various ancient thought about the politics we cannot ignore. So it is the systematic speculations of particular writers. Political theory and the political philosophy, what is it? So the philosophy is called the science of wisdom, So the wisdom can be about the word man or God. This wisdom is inclusive and tries to explain everything. So here theory we are discussing as the political philosophy about the wisdom of the science. So here we are discussing all the things, what is political theory and what is the wisdom of this political theory. So the wisdom is applied to the study of political phenomena of the state. Political theory and the political science. As a discipline, political science is much more conservative and inclusive and included different form of the speculations in politics such as political thought, political theory, political philosophy, political ideology, institutional and structural framework, comparative politics, public administration, international law, and international organization. With the rise of the political science as separate discipline, political theory has made one of its subject. So political theory, when appraised to the political philosophy, is political science. Political science is concerned with the describing and explaining the realities of the political behavior, generalization about men and political institutions of empirical evidence and the role of power in the society. So the political theory has standard component. So political theory is a branch of political science. Political theory is neither political thought, nor political ideology, nor political philosophy. To establish consistency and coherence out of delivery is the main of political theory. Various characteristics of political theory are as follows. Political theory is intellectual and manual creation of the man. It is the speculation of single individual who is attempting to offer us as theoretical explanation of the political reality. Political theory contains on explanation of man, society and the history. Political theory is a discipline branch, discipline based. It is basically discipline based. It means that thought, the phenomena which the theorists seek the explanations remains the same as the state. So political theory not only comprehend and explain the social and political reality, but it also actively engaged in the process of the history. So the task of political theory is not only understanding and explain, but also devise ways and means to change the society. it also includes the political ideology. Ideology is basically simple language, means a system of beliefs, what people are believing, what values and ideals by which the people allow themselves to be governed. So in brief, the political theory is associated with the explanation and evaluation of the political phenomena. Significance of political theory is a form of embracing system of value in which a society adopt as its ideal with a view to understand the political reality and, if necessary, to change it. It involves speculations and higher level about the nature of good life. The political institutions appropriate for its realization to what and the state is directed and how it should be constituted to achieve those ends. The importance of political theory lies in providing description of the political phenomena, a non-scientific and scientific explanations, proposal for the selection of political goods and political actions. Significance of the political theory lie evolving various doctrines and approaches regarding the nature and purpose of the state. What is the nature of the state? What is the purpose of the state? This is discussing about that. In the contemporary time, state face a number of problems such as poverty, overpopulation, corruption, radical and ethical tensions, environment pollution, conflict among the individuals, groups as well as nations. So it is discussing about the various problems. So here we study about that. So the task of political theory is to study and analyze more profoundly than others